Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Instappraise tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you how to create a multi-item report. Multi-item reports are a clean and organized way to condense collections and larger assignments into one easy-to-read document for your client. In other words, they combine multiple appraisals together as a single report. This feature does a lot of heavy lifting by automatically creating a cover page, a table of contents, and a detailed report summary that includes the total value of the collection. So here's how to create one. First, go to the Customers tab, find your customer, and click their name. Make sure all the individual appraisals you want to include are completed. You'll see a full green bar when they are complete and can be added. On the right side of the screen, click Create Multi-Item Report. First, select your report type. For this example, we'll select Insurance Appraisal. Once this is selected, the list below shows the pages available to include. You'll see the automatically generated cover page, table of contents, and report summary. You'll also see the client's completed insurance appraisals and any custom pages you've created for this report type. We'll show you how to create custom pages via the Page Manager in a later video. Just for fun, let's go back to our report type and select a different one like Estate Appraisal. This client doesn't have any completed estate appraisals, so the software gives us a warning. Let's reselect Insurance Appraisal and continue across the screen. Now we need to give this multi-item report a number. This might sound counterintuitive, but do not reuse one of the client's individual appraisal report numbers as this multi-item report number. You can think of our multi-item report like a book. The report number is the title of the book, and the individual appraisal report numbers are the titles of each chapter. After you've created the report number, set your report date. To include your digital signature on the final report, check this box. If you'd like to use historical precious metal prices instead of today's prices, click this box and select a date to automatically pull precious metal prices from that specific date. As we scroll down, you'll see a filtering section that makes it faster to organize individual appraisals within your multi-item report. You can filter to include appraisals of all versions or a specific version. This is especially helpful when you need to create an updated multi-item report after individual appraisals have been revised to version 2, 3, 4, and so on. You can also order the individual appraisals by item name, completed date, document number, or document version. Or you can click and drag to reorder pages any way you like. For this example, we want to include all pages in the final report, so we'll click Select All Pages. You can also select and deselect specific pages here if you don't need every page included. When you're ready, click Save and Generate Report. You'll find the finished report on the customer's profile page. From here, you can preview and print the full collection as a single PDF, or download it and email it to your client or any authorized third parties. You can also edit or delete the report if needed. Now here's a few important things to know about multi-item reports. If you delete a multi-item report, it will not delete or affect the individual appraisal reports in any way. Any changes you make to an individual appraisal are immediately reflected in the multi-item report, even if you've already created the multi-item report. You can only include appraisals from one customer in each multi-item report. And lastly, as we saw with the estate appraisal example, only completed appraisals with the same report type will appear in the report. For example, you cannot combine insurance appraisals and fair market value appraisals in the same report. And that's how to create a multi-item report in Instappraise. From the cover page and table of contents to the detailed report summary, the software handles the heavy lifting and formatting for you. It turns what used to be a time-consuming process into a polished, professional report in just a few clicks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.